Hey guys, little update. So this time it will be focus on one kind of equipment that you may use, even if it's not so often that you can see installed on an aquarium, and this is a absorber. Here right now you see the company Rhein-Erft Aquaristik or Fallensalzer.de. Not sure that they have the same name currently, maybe they've changed. By the way, this is some nitrate absorber that you can see here, and clearly if I switch on, you see the coloration indicate it has been already used. It's brown here, and the material, new one, it's really beige white coloration. So it has been already reactivated many times, and this nitrate absorber, you can reactivate it with salts, with a salt saturation concentration in water. So you can simply do it letting the salt water going through the system and out in a normal way, but I used to put everything out in a dedicated tank and to wash it over 1 hour, for example, in order to activate and to be more efficient to extract the nitrate and to get a nitrate absorber activated again. But today we are not talking about this, just for you. By the way, here this is a air dryer, I would say. But this is just for you to compare the size, because I set up this little guy with Purigen von Sikkim, and this is another kind of absorber. At the end, it's also to reduce the nitrate directly. It's just a comparison of size. You have something like 6 liter, no, 11 liter here and 1 liter here, so huge difference. Something that I would like to show you as well. This is the output. So I don't know if you do remember already, this is a kind of a spread of the water, of the return of the pump. I get some water already filtered that I can send to secondary tank or UV sterilizer. This one is a UV sterilizer that you will see in a little instant. And this is the output, a very nice flow that we can get through the 1 liter of the Sikkim Purigen. So today water change 200 liter, but the Sikkim already did its job a little bit. So if I show you, I open it. Before I get the big one, 11 liter, so something like that. And now I give a try to a reduced version, just 1 liter of Purigen. So Purigen, this is this product, American one from Sikkim. You don't see it so often, just in dedicated, very specialized pet shop. Here in Germany, I would say, in France as well, it's not so easy to get access to. But if you go to England, Australia, USA, for example, you will find Sikkim way much well installed in the pet shop. So, if you want to see how it looks like, just the reactor. I put the intake on the bottom. And you see the nice flow that we can get just using this bifurcation before to put back the water in the tank. So 1 liter of Purigen, when you read the notification, the direction, sorry, you see I am way above what should be used for 1000 liter. So in theory this guy will last months, even if it's just 1 liter. We will see what kind of water quality we can get, hopefully a good one at the level of the fish that you can find in this tank. I don't know if you know the L-cat fish. You have L201 here L236 RB line super white, and you have just behind, you can guess, L46, the zebra pleco. So you have a nice bunch, and here you have the L333. Hop, I give you a little picture, or 333, and you have all the sort of L catfish that we do have in this tank with a wild discus that you know pretty well, waiting for some food, and still a bit stressed of the water change of the day. So that's all for today. Hope everything is going fine. I will try to post this video on YouTube, but these last days it's quite complicated. I don't know, the smartphone, Sony smartphone or Android platform or just the app. Something is just blocking and bothering the complete way YouTube Android app is working. That's all. Ciao guys.